Will Packer cover. That's the first one to announce it. Right.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing this interview because I didn't want to. I accidentally proposed. I didn't mean to, and now I'm stuck because of you.
You accidentally.
I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do that.
All right, so I am Sabrina Campbell with TheJasmineBrand.com, and we have Will Packer here tonight.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm amazing. I'm glad to be here. I'm here amongst my family, you know, just seeing all of Black Hollywood be out, and it's exciting. It's really exciting.
So I see a little bit of a glow coming to you. Is this because of the engagement?
You know what? It might be. It might be because when you get engaged, you know, your woman takes care of you. You know, she takes care of me. And so I have no reason not to smile. So yeah, I'm happy. Engagement was awesome. Thank you, Jasmine Brand, for covering it. You got great pictures. You put it up there. It's awesome. I told her, you know, now I got to go to work and pay for that damn ring and this wedding ceremony. Here's the trick about getting engaged, and I think other fellas should know this. I thought it was going to buy me some time. I thought maybe I had a couple years once I proposed before I got married.
This is not the 5-year engagement.
It's not. I was hoping for 5+. She's planning a wedding for next year, so I'm definitely in trouble. I probably should have thought that through before I got on that knee, but whatever. I'm here now. And I got to figure out how to distract her before I have to say I do.
So what are some of the things that make you nervous about getting married?
You know what? And all jokes aside, I'm not nervous. You know, I've been married before. This is my second time. I'm going into it with my eyes wide open. I know exactly what I'm looking for, exactly what I need, exactly what I can give to somebody, and she and I are a perfect fit. So I'm actually very excited about it. I'm not like a lot of guys that are nervous. I'm excited. I wouldn't have proposed if I wasn't excited about getting married.
And what helped you to come to the decision about proposing?
You know what? I knew the time was right. I knew that in my heart and soul, this is the person I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. And I think that, you know, a lot of guys, they're afraid of it. But when you know it's real, I think you got to just go for it. I really do.
So tell me, how excited are you for Think Like a Man 2?
Oh, crazy excited. You kidding me? It's going to be awesome. It's going to be better than the first. I'm telling you now. It's a good movie. People are going to enjoy it. And if you like the first one, you're going to love the second one.
What makes it so different?
You know what? We took everybody to Vegas, so it's totally different. The first one was about the couples getting together, and this one is about the couples having fun in Vegas and trying to figure out if they can survive all that is Vegas.
All right. Well, we'll look forward to it. Enjoy yourself tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine. Thanks, baby.